Are you really ready?
Not completely.
We only have to survive 2 days.
2 whole days without phones.
Saturday and Sunday.
That still sounds very long.
We made the plan together.
I know.
Turn your phone off.
Wait,
What now?
I need to check one thing.
You said that 10 minutes ago.
This is the last time.
That's what everyone says.
Fine, I'm turning it off.
On the count of 3,
Why do we need a countdown?
it makes it official.
Okay,
1,
2,
3.
done.
Mine is off too.
I already feel strange.
It's been 5 seconds.
My pocket feels too light.
Put both phones in the cookie tin.
The blue cookie tin?
Yes.
That feels disrespectful.
They're phones, not family members.
Mine knows everything about me.
That's exactly the problem.
What if someone needs us?
They can call the building manager.
What if I need a map?
We have a paper map.
A paper map?
People use them for years.
And many people got lost.
We may get lost too.
Wonderful.
Close the tin.
Goodbye, little screen.
Stop talking to it.
I spent 4 years with that phone.
You'll see it on Monday morning.
Monday feels far away.
So, what should we do first?
I don't know.
That's the fun part.
This doesn't feel fun yet.
Give it 10 minutes.
I usually check messages every 10 minutes.
Then give it 11.
Very funny.
Welcome to our screen-free weekend.
I hope we survive.
Look at this building.
Meadowbrook Community Library.
I haven't visited a library in years.
Neither have I.
We usually read everything online.
Not this weekend.
Right. No screens.
Let's go inside.
It's very quiet.
I can hear your shoes.
Am I walking too loudly?
A little.
I'll walk more softly.
Look at all these books.
Where should we start?
I want something exciting.
Adventure?
Maybe adventure and mystery.
This shelf says adventure.
Check the books on the second row.
I found one called The Hidden Island.
That sounds interesting.
The cover has an old map.
What is it about?
2 friends discover a secret island.
Do they get lost?
Probably.
That sounds like us.
We haven't gone anywhere yet.
Give us time.
The book is not very long.
Good. I can finish it this weekend.
I need a book too.
What kind?
Something short.
You always choose short things.
Short books are friendly.
Try the mystery shelf.
I found The Clockmaker's Secret.
What is on the cover?
A broken clock and a locked door.
Perfect for you.
Why?
Because you like things that are broken.
I like fixing things.
You still haven't fixed the lamp.
That lamp needs time.
3 years is enough time.
Let's focus on books.
Good idea.
Do we need library cards?
Yes.
Do you have one?
Mine expired years ago.
I never had one.
We can ask for new cards.
What information will they need?
Our names and address.
We live at Lakeview Apartments.
Do you have identification?
Yes, in my wallet.
Good.
The librarian gave us these forms.
Do you have a pen?
There is one on the desk.
Fill in your name first.
Done.
Now your address.
Lakeview Apartments, number 14.
You wrote number 41.
Did I?
Yes.
Good catch.
Cross it out.
My form already looks messy.
It is still readable.
What should I write under favorite books?
You don't have a favorite book.
Can I write short ones?
Please don't.
I'll leave it blank.
I finished my form.
Me too.
The librarian is checking them.
I hope my messy address is okay.
She smiled, so probably.
Look, Our cards are ready.
Mine is green.
Mine is orange.
That matches your shirt.
That was clearly planned.
Of course.
How long can we keep the books?
3 weeks.
3 weeks?
You only need 1 weekend.
I read slowly.
You read messages quickly.
Messages are shorter.
That's the problem.
The librarian stamped both books.
We are officially library members.
This place feels peaceful.
No calls,
No alerts.
no loud videos.
I could stay here all day.
The library closes at 6.
Then I'll stay until 5:59.
You became a book lover very quickly.
It's been almost 10 minutes.
That's impressive.
Should we sit and read for a while?
Yes.
This chair is comfortable.
Open your book.
The first line is already mysterious.
Read quietly.
I am reading quietly.
You said that out loud.
Sorry.
Welcome back to the world of books.
I think I like it here. What are you looking for? Something we can do without screens.
Good luck.
I found a board game.
That old box?
It's called Treasure Trail.
I don't remember this game.
We played it years ago.
The box is covered in dust.
That means it's special.
That means we never cleaned the shelf.
Help me open it.
The lid is stuck.
Pull from that side.
I'm pulling.
A little harder.
There.
Wow.
Cards, dice, coins, and a map.
We have almost everything.
Almost?
One piece is missing.
Which one?
The silver compass.
How do you lose a compass?
Maybe it couldn't find its way home.
That was terrible.
I thought it was clever.
What can we use instead?
A bottle cap?
I am not playing as a bottle cap.
Then choose the wooden boat.
I want the boat.
I knew it.
What will you use?
The green button.
From your old coat?
Yes,
So I'm a boat and you're a button.
a very brave button.
Read the rules.
You read them.
Why me?
My glasses are in the bedroom.
Go get them.
That's very far.
It's 12 steps.
Without my phone, I have no motivation.
Get your glasses, brave button.
Fine.
I'll set up the cards.
I'm back.
That was fast.
I counted 13 steps.
A difficult journey.
Let's begin.
Who goes first?
The youngest player.
That's me.
Only by 6 months.
The rules are the rules.
Roll the dice.
6.
Beginner's luck.
My boat is already winning.
My button will catch you.
Your button is still at the start.
The game just began.
Excuses already?
At least you're not checking your phone.
I forgot about it for 5 minutes.
That's progress. Roll again.
Gladly.
I need to mail this letter.
We can go after lunch.
The post office closes early today.
Then let's call a taxi.
With what?
My phone.
Your phone is inside the cookie tin.
Right, screen-free weekend.
Do you know a taxi number?
No,
Neither do I. Nobody remembers phone numbers anymore.
I remember my mother's number.
Can your mother drive us?
She lives 4 hours away.
So that's a no.
Silver Lane Post Office isn't far.
How far?
About 25 minutes.
By car?
By walking.
25 minutes is far.
You walked around the living room all morning.
That was different.
Put on your shoes.
Fine.
Do you know the way?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Almost sure.
Almost sure means no.
I remember Willow Road.
What happens after Willow Road?
We passed Stonebridge Chapel.
Then?
We turned near Bright Care Pharmacy.
Left or right?
Right.
You answered too quickly.
Fine. Maybe left.
Wonderful.
We can use the paper map.
Where is it?
On the kitchen table.
We are already outside.
I forgot it.
Of course you did.
I still know the general direction.
That's not a real direction.
This way.
Why this way?
The sun is behind us.
What does that have to do with anything?
Nothing. It just sounded useful.
Keep walking.
Is that Stonebridge Chapel?
No, that's a school.
It has a tower.
It also has children.
Good point.
We've been walking for 15 minutes.
We're close.
You said that 10 minutes ago.
Look, there's a pharmacy.
Is it Bright Care Pharmacy?
No, it's Green Cross Pharmacy.
We're on the wrong street.
Maybe the post office moved.
Buildings don't usually run away.
We should ask someone.
That woman gave me directions.
What did she say?
She said we are walking the wrong way.
How wrong?
About 6 blocks.
6 blocks?
I told you.
What do we do now?
Turn around and walk straight.
Okay.
Past the small grocery store.
The one with the yellow sign?
Yes.
Then what?
Turn left at Bright Care Pharmacy.
Left. I almost got that right.
You said right first. You were building distance.
I'm getting hungry.
Me too.
Should we order food?
We can't use a delivery app.
Right, the phones are still locked away.
Let's cook something.
That sounds dangerous.
I know how to cook.
You burned toast last week.
The toaster burned it.
Of course.
I found Grandma's recipe book.
That old green book?
Yes, it has all her recipes.
What are we making?
Cheesy baked chicken.
That sounds excellent.
Page 62.
The pages are yellow.
This book is older than us.
Does it still work?
It's a book, Ryan.
Good point.
Read the ingredients.
Chicken,
We have it.
tomato sauce,
In the cupboard.
cheese,
Plenty.
breadcrumbs,
On the top shelf.
fresh parsley.
Wait.
What?
I don't see any parsley.
Check the fridge door.
Nothing.
Vegetable drawer?
Only carrots and one tired lemon.
Maybe parsley is hiding behind the milk?
Parsley doesn't hide.
You never know.
We don't have it.
Can we make the dish without parsley?
Grandma wrote, "Do not skip the parsley."
She sounds serious.
She underlined it twice.
Can we use something else?
Like what?
Green onions?
That's not the same.
Spinach?
Definitely not.
The tired lemon?
Stop suggesting random things.
We could call Grandma.
With which phone?
Right, phone prison.
I usually search for substitutions online.
Today, we use courage.
Courage doesn't taste like parsley.
But cheese tastes good.
That's true.
Let's make it without the parsley.
Grandma may feel it from far away.
We'll apologize later.
Fine. Wash the chicken.
Shouldn't you wash it?
I'm preparing the sauce.
What do I do after that?
Put it in the baking dish.
This glass dish?
Yes,
It looks small.
it will fit.
The chicken disagrees.
Move the pieces closer.
They're already very close.
They're becoming friends.
Very uncomfortable friends.
Now add the sauce.
How much?
1 cup.
Which cup?
The measuring cup.
We have 4.
The clear one with numbers.
They all have numbers.
Give it to me. Now sprinkle the breadcrumbs.
Sprinkle lightly,
Yes,
like snow.
exactly.
It's a breadcrumb storm.
That's too much.
You said snow.
I didn't say a blizzard.
Can we remove some?
Leave it. Add the cheese.
Now we're speaking my language.
Not the whole bag.
Half?
A little less.
This is a very strict recipe.
Put it in the oven.
What temperature?
200 degrees Celsius.
For how long?
35 minutes.
We need a timer.
Use the kitchen clock.
It only shows the time.
Then remember when we started.
4:15.
Good. It will be ready at 4:50.
What if we forget?
We stay in the kitchen.
For 35 minutes?
We can clean.
Suddenly, I'm not hungry.
Too late.
Something smells good.
It's only been 10 minutes.
I'm preparing emotionally.
Look through the oven door.
The cheese is melting,
It looks perfect.
even without parsley.
Don't say that too loudly.
Grandma might hear me.
450.
Time to check it.
Be careful, it's hot.
Wow,
What?
it actually looks amazing.
You sound surprised.
I had low expectations.
Thank you, Ryan.
I meant for myself.
Let's taste it.
Hot,
I told you.
but delicious.
Really?
Really.
The missing parsley didn't ruin it.
Don't tell Grandma.
Never.
Our first screen-free dinner.
And we didn't burn anything.
The evening is still young.